नमस्कार, आपण पाहत आहात द डहाणू मित्र न्यूज नेटवर्क. पाहुयात काही ठळक आणि महत्त्वाच्या घडामोडी. प्रेम, आनंद आणि उत्साहात हर्षवर्धिनी प्रेयश यांचा शुभविवाह सोहळा संपन्न. डहाणू येथील रहिवासी आरती आणि रमेश गायकवाड यांची सुकन्या हर्षवर्धिनी तसेच बिल्लीमोरा येथील नेहाबेन आणि जयेशभाई यांचे सुपुत्र प्रेयश यांचा शुभविवाह सोहळा मोठ्या उत्साहात आणि आनंदात पार पडला. डहाणूतील क्रेझी क्रेप हॉटेलमध्ये आयोजित या विवाह सोहळ्याला नातेवाईक, मित्रपरिवार तसेच प्रतिष्ठित नागरिक मोठ्या संख्येनं उपस्थित होते. सगळ्यांच्या उपस्थितीत आणि मंगलमय वातावरणात हर्षवर्धिनी आणि प्रेयश यांनी वैवाहिक जीवनाची नवी सुरुवात केली आणि याप्रसंगी उपस्थित मान्यवरांनी नवदाम्पत्याला आशीर्वाद देत त्यांच्या भावी आयुष्यासाठी सुख, समृद्धी आणि यशस्वी जीवनाच्या शुभेच्छा दिल्या. हा संपूर्ण सोहळा पारंपरिक विधींसह आनंद, उत्साह आणि आपुलकीच्या वातावरणात पार पडला.
Hello viewers, good evening everybody. Myself Malaika. Today we have come to the Crazy Crab Hotel at the wedding reception of Harshvardhini Gaikwad. The place over here looks so beautiful. The decoration is done so welly. Now let's take a look what's there inside. We are feeling very hungry. Come on, let's dive in. Okay. As you can see, the decoration is done so well. There is a selfie point where people can come and click photos also, and even the floral decoration is very beautiful. Also, if you want to take any breaks, you can come and enjoy the view over here. Let's look into the menu of the wedding today. We have wonderful veg lollipop which looks nice and delicious. Coming forward, there is paneer finger, and which is also looking very tasty to be had. There are also sweet dishes that you can have. There's rasgulla, then there is amras, and there is kaju katri roll, and many more sweet dishes are there. There's also a Chinese section where you can get Manchurian. There are noodles, and there is a fried rice also that you all can have. Then there is also kaju karela kishmish. Look at this, it's very flavorful and it's very delicious to be had. It's a new dish which has come up here. Once you all are done eating, there is a nice refreshment where you can have refreshing fruits like dragon fruit. There's muskmelon, apples and watermelon, pineapple that you all can have. And always the most awaited and favorite dish of everybody to have is the pani puri. This is the best thing everybody waits for to have. Ramesh Gaikwad has called here all of them in a large number where people are coming, guests are coming, they are getting invited. Okay, here we can see is the Saptapadi. This is basically the 7 vachans where the bride has to give to the bridegroom. Over here, there is each step she'll be taking with you can see there's a supari there. She'll be stepping on the supari with her right leg, and she'll be giving vachan, that is a promise to her husband that she has to obey throughout her life along with him. Here, as we can see, there is a ritual going on where there is a tradition, and as we can see, there is Harshvardhini along with her husband Preyash. Here we have Harshvardhini's parents, that is Ramesh Gaikwad and Aarti Gaikwad. They are performing a wonderful ritual. So this is the reception stage where you can see guests and people will be coming and gifting the bride and bridegroom. There's a lovely decoration, as you all can see. There's a wonderful seating arrangement for the bride and the bridegroom, and people will be coming here and gifting them and giving them blessings. Mr. Ramesh Gaikwad will be welcoming the guests. So on large numbers, friends have come, their relatives have come, both from Gujarat side also, and there are Maharashtrian people. So there are so many people, as you can see. They are all been invited. They are cherishing a nice moment here, and they are enjoying all, as you all can see.